Good morning and welcome back to physics class. Today we are going to the fourth part of the chapter light. So in the last part we discussed about the image formation by a concave mirror. So for concave mirror, for different position of the object where the image will be formed, that's what we discussed in the last class. When the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. When the object is beyond C, the image is formed between focus and C. When the object is at C, the image is also formed at C. And when the object is between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. And when the object is at F, the image is formed at infinity. When the object is between P and F, the image is formed behind. That time it was an enlarged virtual image. It is behind the screen. That one we discussed. And for all other position where for each object where the image is formed, that's also discussed. So I think that is clear. And already we send you a table also. You study remaining things from the table and you have to remember. And you should know how to draw the diagrams also. Now we will discuss the same thing for a convex mirror. So in this convex mirror, I cannot show you on the screen because convex mirror always produces a virtual image. Always it produces a erect and virtual image. So we cannot show it on a screen. So virtual image means which cannot be obtained on a screen. Here we have only two cases. That is, the first case is when the object is at infinity. Let the object be at infinity. So you can draw it here, I think. So this is your mirror. This is convex, bulged toward this side. And you can see here F is there and here is C. Now when the object is at infinity, the rays coming from object will be parallel rays like this. So this is one ray, second ray through the axis itself, and the third ray is this one. Now you know how it will go. So for easy thing, what you can do is you can draw a dotted line from C to here. So this will be the normal. So by making same angle, it will go through focus like this. It will reflect back like this. Here also you can see same thing. It will reflect back as if it is coming from focus. So in your paper it is not seen. You will make little marks on it. Okay. So it is very clear. The image is formed behind the mirror. So this is a virtual image. And you can see the image will be very small there. So we have a highly diminished virtual image, virtual and erect image behind the screen or behind the mirror. That's what we are getting. Now another case is there. So I already told you only two cases possible in this one. And the next case is like this. Second case, when the object is anywhere else, that is other than infinity, for any other position, we have the same diagram. So you have the mirror like this. So you see here we have focus F here we have C also. Now this side also we have the same distance. For same distance we can write F here. That is there also same distance here also you can write. Here it is C. Now anywhere if you draw, if it is beyond C or if it is on C, any position, we have a common type of diagram only. So the diagram is like this. For example, I am randomly drawing here. If the object is here, you have to draw a line from here to C. The one which is going towards C will be a straight line. It's coming towards C, so you can see that it is coming here like this, and from here it will reflect back. That side is dotted line. Actually, it is not going there. Now another ray also you can take, another ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis. The ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis here like this. What will happen? It will reflect as if it is coming from the focus like this. So it is reflecting like this. You can put dotted line here. So the ray is coming like this and reflecting back like this. So the picture is clear. Where is the image? These two dotted lines are meeting here. So we have a virtual image here. So here also it is diminished. We have a diminished image here inside. So the main point is for convex mirror only two possibilities. One is when the object is at infinity, this one. The image is highly diminished and formed at the focus and it is virtual and erect. And the second case is this one. When the object is anywhere between infinity and pole. For all we have the same type of diagram. That is, the image is diminished. Not that much diminished, so we will just use the word diminished. The diminished image is formed between pole and the focus. Between the pole and the focus, and the diminished image will be virtual and erect. So this is the diagram. Main thing what you have to remember by comparing these two mirrors is, in both cases, if you take this one, that is the convex, always produces virtual and erect image. Always produces virtual and erect image. If you take concave, only one position it makes virtual and erect. Where is it? That is when the object is between P and F. So how will identify which is whether it is a concave or convex? Here you see in both these cases it is diminished image. So here virtual and erect image it is diminished, then it is due to convex mirror. If virtual and erect image which is enlarged, then it is due to concave mirror. All real and inverted images are due to concave. Once more, all real and inverted image is due to concave. If it is virtual and erect, if it is enlarged, then it is due to concave. If it is diminished, then it is due to convex. Very simple. Okay, so when the image is formed, you once by getting the idea of image, immediately which type of mirror that should come. Okay, and one more thing you better notice, always this virtual image is formed behind the mirror. That also you have to remember. Okay, once if you get all this logic, by seeing the question itself, you will get where the image is formed. Then after the calculation and whether your answer came correct or not, you can check it. So the physical idea is very, very important. So we discussed this much about concave and convex. So I think it is clear about concave and convex, and we have to go for the equations, calculations and all. Before that one, this idea of the image formation is very, very important. Now one more thing, where these things are used, we have concave mirror and convex mirror. Plain mirror we are looking for normal makeup purpose, we are using for the same plain mirror. So what about this concave and convex? So where it is used, that also we have to see. So I will go for the concave first. So the use of concave mirror is, first is we can use it as reflector in a torchlight or the searchlight which you are using in your home. In that torchlight we have a bulb. Behind the bulb we have a curved reflector. That is concave. Okay, that is not perfect concave, something like parabolic and all is there, that we will discuss later. But it is a concave shape, it is bent towards inside. So what is the use of that one? To produce a parallel beam. So if the bulb is here, this bulb produces, so behind that one we have like this. So this bulb is in the focus, so all the light which is going outside, all will move parallel upwards like this. So to produce a parallel beam of light, we will use concave mirror in torchlight and searchlight. That is the first use of concave. Second use of concave is, it is used as shaving mirror. Generally, people are using plain mirror also, but shaving mirror means it is used for shaving and it is used in the beauty parlor and all. Sometimes in a purse or in a vanity, you will call it as vanity mirror and all. The ladies also using some mirror will be there. So it will little bit curved, so that when you look inside that one, you will see it as big. So shaving you can make it very clear by seeing clearly. Or if you are doing makeup, if you have a small pimple here in the mirror, it will be so much big, so that you can see what is happening. Okay, so to make as a shaving mirror we are using it. That is the second use. So first use is reflector in torchlight and vehicle headlights, searchlights, all those things. Second one is shaving mirror. And the third one is, it is used by dentist. Those who are checking your teeth when you are going to the dental hospital, he is using something like a spoon. In the end one mirror will be there. If any cavity is there in the teeth, to see it clearly they are using that one, because the upside teeth and all, he cannot look from down, so he will use a mirror there. So just like a spoon, one mirror is there. That mirror is also concave mirror, so because it will give a big enlarged image of that one. Then the next one is, it is used as solar concentrate. If you want to take the entire solar energy to one point for heating something, and also it is called a solar concentrate or solar reflector. It is used as solar reflector. Okay. Now one more, this much is there in your textbook. One more thing you can see, the antenna, the DTH antenna is also almost concave only. It is not exactly spherical, little bit parabolic it is. Still that also can be taken as a use of concave mirror. So once more you go through this video and all the use of concave mirror you take. Now you have 3 for use for convex also. So we will discuss about use of convex also. So the most important use of convex mirror is it is used as rear view mirror in vehicle. What is the meaning of rear view mirror? The mirror which is used for seeing backside, and then the wing mirrors will be there, the side mirrors. Okay, the side mirror on the vehicle and inside one mirror will be there to see the backside. So that is called as a rear view mirror. So these rear view mirrors are convex mirrors. So first and important use is rear view mirror in the vehicle. Second one is the traffic and in parking area. If you go to big malls and all, there are in order to see whether any vehicle is coming inside the parking area, for as a reflector in the wall, big mirror will be fixed. That also will be convex mirror. So that's also clear, I think. So first one is in the rear view mirror. Second one is in the parking area or in the traffic we will keep convex mirror. And one more use is there in some shops and all. Now the CCTV camera came. Before that one, they will be keeping some mirrors so that the shopkeeper can see the full shop together. So always this convex will give more field of view. That's why if he look at that mirror, he can see the entire shop in that one. So like that also it is used. So many uses we discussed, and one old type another use also is there. Now it is not used in the street lights. So here we are using the reflector to make a parallel beam, but in the case of street light we don't want a parallel beam, we want to spread the light toward the street. So the street light reflectors was convex type, so that it will spread the light toward the street like that. Okay, so all these things once more you go through this one, because I told little bit fast, I know. So you just go behind in the video, once more you listen all these things. Okay, but one more question can come to your mind. This rear view mirror is always convex mirror. Why this convex is used? Why we cannot go for concave? So there are some reason for that. Main and the most important reason is this convex mirror always produces erect image. If you say concave mirror, what will happen is when the vehicle is coming from back side, first the vehicle will be upside down, and when it is reaching very much near to the focus, it will become like this. So it will be a confusing thing. So to get always erect image, we are using convex mirror as rear view mirror. That is one point. The second point is, already I mentioned, this convex mirror will have very wide field of view. So to give more field of view, to get more area covered, we will use convex mirror. So use of concave mirror, use of convex mirror, and this diagram along with last class. So our general thing about mirrors is over here. Now the thing is, you have to go for the calculation and all. That we will do in the next part. That is in the 5th part we will do. So this part we will conclude here. So up to here you make perfect, then we will go to the next part. Thank you.